So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video we are going to discuss about an exciting job opportunity floated by Cognizant on its website where freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply. So do watch this video very carefully till the end, and in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it, and please do like this video to support my channel as it gives me a lot of motivation. So let's start today's video with the first thing, which is the job description for this particular role. And if you go directly to the link, it will be very difficult for you to understand because it is written in a very untidy manner. So I will simplify it to you and explain you what all job responsibilities will you have to do. So first of all, you will have to take calls from customers regarding the queries. So you will be interacting with customers of Telstra process. So if you are wondering what it is, Telstra is a broadband connection telecommunications type of company, just like what Airtel is to India, Telstra is to Australia. So it is an Australian based company and just like Airtel, it will have customers and customers will have certain complaints. So Telstra has outsourced its work to Cognizant India for this particular process, and that is why Cognizant want to hire process associate for this Telstra process. So here what you will have to do is you will have to receive calls of those customers and ask them about the queries that they have, and then escalate those queries to the technical team. So you will be interacting with the Cognizant technical team. So it will be a technical kind of query and you will not be able to solve it. So you have to escalate it, and you have to make a work order that to a technician that you have to solve this particular query. And then once that person solves that particular query, you have to inform the customer that their query has been solved and report the response of the customer, whether the customer is happy with the query that is being solved or not. And then you will have to gauge the performance of the technical team member who has solved this query, that he is capable of solving that query or he needs some improvement. And then you have to suggest what improvements can be made so that the entire process of this solving queries of Telstra customers can be improved. That is why it is called as process associate role. So now who can apply? Any graduate can apply, but they are not preferring BE, BTech or MCA kind of graduates because it is a non-technical role. So that is why any other type of graduate is eligible to apply. You can have 0 to 5 years of experience. And one more thing I'll tell you, if you go to the link, this job is posted on naukri.com. There are two processes that is posted on the same link. One is this Telstra and other is CPU. For CPU you need experience, that is why I'm not taking that particular role, but you can apply through this for this Telstra role through the same link because both the job descriptions are given and hence it is a bit confusing. So I'm already telling it to you. Regarding the salary, it is not exactly mentioned, but what I've read, it is between 4 to 6 LPA for this particular post. And now we go on to the interview round. So Cognizant usually will conduct an MCAT test as always. So MCAT test will consist of verbal ability, logical, and some maybe mathematical questions, but I don't think it will be there for this role because it is a non-technical job. So you can go through some of my videos of Amazon aptitude and MCAT tests to help you prepare. And then there will be HR and operations round. So I'll cover some of the questions also that can be asked and how you can apply. So for that I'll take you to my computer screen. So friends, now I have taken you to my computer screen, and firstly I'll discuss some of the HR and operations interview questions that can be asked for this particular job role. They can be: tell me about yourself, why this role, why Cognizant, what is Telstra process, so that I've already told you, what are your goals and aspirations, talk about a time when you worked in a team because here you will have to work in teams, and talk about a time where you showed leadership skills because that will also be required for this role. So these are the some of the questions which you should prepare, and then I'll show you how you can apply for this role. So I floated this on my website, and you can read about the job description in detail, and if you feel comfortable you should click on this link. Do not click apply for this job, click on this link and then you will be redirected to this naukri.com page. where you can see this opening, process specialist. It is written data, but it is for Telstra process, and it is open for Hyderabad, Gurgaon, and Bangalore. So three locations are open, and if you are comfortable, you can apply. You can read any graduate, exclude BE, BTech, MCA. So this first para is for Telstra process. This one is for CPU process. So CPU I have already told freshers are not eligible. So for Telstra you can apply by through your Naukri.com profile. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you, and in case you are interested to take the CV service that will increase your chances to get shortlisted, the link is given below. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.